such a melody to me. In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change and it's beautiful.
Don't worry about that extra line that's creeping up upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how we've come to be. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Francine.
Ma Cing, happy birthday, Ma Cing, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ma Cing, happy birthday, Ma Cing, happy birthday, Ma Cing, I love you.
Sing, happy birthday. Pasalamat kog dako nga ikaw ang nagatiman ako sa gamay pa ko. Dira ako nagdako ninyo. Din mahinaot ko nga tagan pa kag maayong panglawas ug taas pa nga kinabuhi. More blessings to come. Og I hope nga ma-enjoy nimo yung day karon. I love you. Surprise! Happy birthday, Ma! I hope and pray nga tagaan pa kag taas nga kinabuhi ug mayong panglawas sa atong Ginoo. Be happy and enjoy your special day. I love you!
Hi, Ma Cing! Happy birthday! I wish na hatagan pa kag taas nga kinabuhi ni God and good health lang always. And happiness in life, kauban sa imong family. Laban lang kita ha. Be strong always, bisag sa panang mga problema diha. Salig lang kung dakop sa Ginoo, makaya ra lang nato tanan kay kanang tanan lumalabay lamang.
Happy birthday, Ma Cing. I'm wishing you all the best. Labi na sa imong health. O ginaot pa na natagan pa nga o daghan pa nga birthday sa atin. Love you.
Hi, Ma Cing. Let yourself do everything that you like most in life. May your big day be cheerful and happy. Wishing you the abundance of fun and glory. Happy birthday, Mama Francine. May this day be so happy that smile never fades away from your face. Hinaot, tagaan kag taas pang kinabuhi, ug dugang grasya, daghan kayong grasya, ikan sa langit ng amahan. Nagbalipayon ka sa imong birthday karong adlaw o bali pa pa-open. Sa imong mga anak nga si Jeffrey o si Junjun, sa imong mga apo nga si Cassandra Claire o si Vince Andre, sa imong mga pag-umangkon sa Napo, sa Cebu, imong mga kaparintihan, mga igsuon, mga silingan, yung imong mga kaubanan, sisters in Christ, o sa imong mga kaubang opisyalis sa Lanao Chapel. Again, happy birthday, Mama Francine. Relax and enjoy and stay safe always. Kung malipayon ka sa imong adlaw na tawhan karong adlaw, uban sa imong pamilya from Diguma family. Happy birthday, Mama Francine.
Hi Ma Cing, happy birthday. Wishing you more birthdays to come. Salamat ta sa Ginoo nga ang imong birthday natunong gyud sa imong adlaw natawhan. Happy birthday.
Hello! Kumusta ninyong tanan diha? Happy 78th birthday to the most loving and wonderful namo nga yaan Mama Francing. Today is your big day. We wish you good luck, good health, and God bless you always. We hope this wonderful day will fill up your heart with joy and blessings. You have given me such great advice, and I want to take this special day and use it as an opportunity to thank you for all that you do of what I am now. Thanks for always showing me the right path and for guiding me in the right direction. For that, we love you and happy birthday. Thank you so much, Lord, for giving us a loving, responsible, amazing, and superhero mama. We're praying for more blessings and more years to celebrate. We love you, good, healthy, and safe all the time. Happy birthday, Mama Francing! Suway ikaw.
Among may nitong pagtibaya sa kasumaran sa imong adlaw ng tawhan, Mama Franz. Kami nangaliya o nag-ampo sa kanunay, nahatagan ka sa kakiskay sa panglawas ug taas ng kinabuhi nga mag-alagad sa atong labaw makagagahon. Siguro if not of this COVID-19 that hampered our daily lives, we could have celebrated your special day together. But despite of this prevailing circumstance, this does not prohibit us of extending our best wishes for you. Busa gikan sa kinauyukan sa among pagsatagsa nga kasing-kasing ug sa among tibok banay dinhi sa dumanhog, kami magdungan sa pag-ingon.
Happy birthday, Mama Francine! Cheers for more years to come! We love you! Yay!
Hello, Mama Cing. Hello, everyone. I just want to greet a happy birthday, Mama Cing. God bless you and more blessings to come. Ako na lang po muna yung representative ng Team Manila. Kasi busy pa sila. So, ayun po. Hope you enjoy your special day and I love you. See you soon. Love, love. Love, love. Bye-bye.
Yeah, happy birthday. Wish you have many more years to celebrate your special day. Good health and happy always. Ayo kaguol nga wa kahikay basta importante maayo ang atong lawas nagantas Ginoo kanunay o lasking kuan katawan para mabuhay tayo ng matagal dito sa mundo. Happy birthday tiya. Be happy always. God bless.
Hello. How are you everyone from Camotes? Happy birthday, Tia Francine. We wish you all the best and more blessings to come, more years and good health. Hopefully this COVID will finish and we can go home and see you again. Again, I wish you all the best. Happy 70th birthday to you. We love you so much. Hello, good morning everyone. I really miss you so much. Long time can't visit in the Philippines. I love you always everyone. Especially to the birthday celebrant, Tia Francine. Best wishes on your birthday, Tia. Happy birthday. Hopefully the problem COVID is finished and one day we visit in the Philippines and to see you all. Take care, all of you. Love you always. Happy birthday again. Take care, everyone. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! We miss you. We love you all. Happy birthday, Tia. Happy 70th birthday to you. Enjoy your birthday. Enjoy your special day. Mwah!
Hi, Nanay. Si Patrick ni.
Si Wawa ni.
Si Wani ni.
Happy birthday,
Nanay Francine. We love you. More birthdays to come. Bye-bye.
Hi Tia, Auntie Francine, hello, happy birthday nimo. Napunta nga wish na ko para nimo tagaan pagkagtaas, pagkain nga kinabuhi, daghan pag mga birthdays nga mo abot diha kanimo ug maayong lawas kada adlaw. O ginauta nga malipayon ka sa imong sa ulog sa imong pag-birthday karong adlaw. Happy birthday kayo, happy birthday, happy 78th birthday. O mora to basta good health lang gyud mo wish para nimo. O ginauta nga magmalipayon ka sa imong adlawng natawhan. O sa sad miss na pud mo namo kayo diha, dugay-dugay na gid wa mi ka bisita diha sa Camotes. Hinautong tapuhon nga matagaan ko og lugar nga makaanha diha sa piyesta para magkapundok na punta uban sa mga bata. Happy birthday kayo nimo, happy birthday og we love you. Kumusta ko nila pod nila ni Tio Uben, ni Tia Lydia ug ang mga akong mga kaparentihan diha nga mga suod nga mga igagaw ana sa Camotes tanan, ako mga umangkon ug mga apo. Na happy birthday lang nimo, happy birthday, puhonon ta magkita ta. Love you, we love you.
Hello, Auntie Francine. We wish you good health and many more birthdays to come. Happy birthday!
Hi, hello everyone. I just want to wish Mama Francine a happy birthday. Ma, happy birthday, Ma. I wish you good health and good life for more years to come. God bless you always, and I love you.
Hi, I just want to say happy birthday, and I hope you have all the happiness that your heart can desire, and I hope you have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday, Ma Cing. Good health always. Oh, stay happy. I love you from Hong Kong, and I miss you all.
Happy birthday, Ate Francine. Happy birthday, Lola Ma Cing.
Happy birthday, Ma Cing.
Lola.
Happy birthday, Auntie.
Wishing you the best of the best in everything in your life. Good health, happiness, peace, understanding, and prayer for family. God bless you always. Ate Francine. Ate na kitawag din mo. Kaya bago naman tayo sa 2021.
Sana ako nila.
Ikan kata. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday,
Francine. Birthday, Auntie Francine.
Hi, Ma Cing. Happy 78th birthday to you. Salamat sa pagkatimana mo ni ate. I love you, Ma Cing. God bless. Ma Cing, happy birthday. Hope you have many more birthdays to come. Stay healthy, Ma Cing. Love you. God bless.
Sing birthday. I hope that you have many more birthdays to come. I wish you good health. God bless.
Your very special day. Happy birthday, Ma Cing. Ma, I want you to know that I am so thankful and very blessed to have you as my mother. Thank you very much for all the support, for all the guidance, the love, and the care. Who I am now and what I become is all because of you and Papa. I am very much grateful and blessed. Always remember that I am always here and I will take care of both of you. Stay healthy. Forget the worries. Just enjoy your day. Enjoy the surprise. Happy birthday, Ma. Love you.
Hi, Tia! Happy birthday from Australia, from the Lima family. We would like you to greet a happy birthday. Mark yours.
Happy birthday, Ma. I'll see you soon. Love you.
Happy birthday po, Mama Francine. Wish you all the best and have a good health for this year.
Happy birthday, Mama Francine.
Happy birthday, Mama Francie.
Francine.
Francie.
Ito, Marcos.
Happy birthday, Mama Francine. Happy birthday.
Ito, honey.
Happy birthday, Mama Francine. I wish you see you soon.
Let's say happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama Francine. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Ayan, Tia. So, wish you more candles to blow. And then, see you soon. Pag mawala na tong pandemic, magkita-kita tayo again. Bye! Happy birthday!
Arch, happy birthday. This is your 78 years living in this world together with your family, with happiness and even sacrifices that flows with the law of the human nature. So I hope you have more years to come. Your life will be extended so that you can serve more to God and to your family. So be strong. Keep healthy. And always bear in mind that we can still survive. Thank you and I love you.
You should change your name to laughter. It brings joy to every room. Oh, the voices vanish after hearing such a lovely tune. In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful. You should change something new? Would you think it childish if I changed my name to I love you? We both have a love so perfect. I would never want to hurt it. You should change your name to beautiful.
Dili masukod. Dili pa-measure ang akong kalipay sa akong kasibinte nga adlaw natawhon. Man sa surprisa nga gihatag ninyo. Kampo lamang ko nga ako takihon sa akong kalipay kay umasa ini. Nakabot na ako ang HINGPIT sa kalipay. Kuha ko mag-suit. Kay kanang akong celebration sa gamay pa ko na maestra ko. What ko ani? Karoon lang. Hindi ka mo maniya sa celebration karoon sa Mexico.
Ano yung millennial?
Experience sa millennial.
Ayaw pabilig millennial.
Kay siguro din ang akong kinabuhi. May buwak-buwak na sa mani.
Thank you, Lord.
Salamat, Lord. Salamat nga. Karoon pa nga. Natatanda.
Pinangga ka sa imong mga
Pinangga sa inyo.
pamilya.
Pamilya. Kanang labaw din ang ito. Pag-ibig man ako kay sa ako na yung manginutay kanina kung pag-atago sa inyong kabubuto na ako na itawa ako nito.
In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful. You should change your name to good. Make tears in my eyes. Wish that I could have you with me every time I fall. In a world that's so imperfect, I know you will try to fix it. You should change I don't think you'd mind it if I change your name to something new. Would you think it childish if I change my name to I